Ayush, coming to hockey, what are the chances of Indian hockey team to have a medal?
So we are participating both men's and women's. So they are participating for the third time. They qualified for the third time. First it was in 1980, then 2016, and now 2021. At Tokyo, their group is very tough. They have got the reigning world champion and world number one Netherlands, reigning Olympic champion Great Britain, the world number three and bronze medalist of Rio Olympics, Germany, the finalist of World Cup 2018 Ireland. Medal, we don't have and we should not expect medal from the women's team if they qualify for the quarterfinals. It will be a great result for us. Rani Rampal has been the best performer for the women's team, and she is still very young, still in her early to mid 20s. I think still around 24, 25. And the youngsters are doing better at junior level compared to what our team was doing a few years back. So right now our target should be quarterfinals. It means we have realistic chance. Ever since Graham Reed has taken over, we have seen some positive changes in the Indian team. Indian team has become more clinical. The one thing which frustrated me as a hockey fan was that Indian team would miss a lot of chances. They would create chances but would not score. But ever since Graham Reed has taken over, they have become more clinical. And second thing, they have started winning matches by scoring goals in the final few minutes. This has been our weakness for a long time. I have been following hockey since 2002, 2003, somewhere around that. And I remember even then India used to lose a lot of matches in the final 5 to 10 minutes. But under Graham Reed, just few months back at Argentina, we were trailing 2-1 in the final minute. Manpreet Singh, the skipper of Indian team, he dodged 5 players to earn a penalty corner. We scored. We took the match to the tiebreaker where we won. Against Netherlands, we were trailing 3-1. With 10 minutes to go, we scored 2 goals and took the match to tiebreaker and we won. So this has been a good change we have seen in the Indian men's team. They are not just competing with the top teams, they are among the top teams right now. For last, we always talk about our glorious past, glorious history in hockey, but let's be honest, it has been 4 decades since we won any medal. Last time we won was in 1980, and I was not born then. And I have never seen an Indian team better than this one. It has been consistently beating the top sides. At the Pro Hockey League, they played 2 matches each against Netherlands, Australia, Belgium, and Argentina. All these 4 are elite hockey nations. In those 8 matches, India won 6 of them, including 3 were in tiebreaker and just lost 2. So they are in great form, great shape. Manpreet Singh holds the key. He is the heart of our team. He's like Virat Kohli of Indian hockey team.
How is the draw?
In draw, we have got Australia. They have been our nemesis for a long time. We haven't won a big match against them. And whenever we have faced them in a big match, we have faltered. So Australia is a favorite to top the group. Other than that, we are Argentina, the defending Olympic champions, but we did beat them at Rio. And in recent times, India has had upper hand against Argentina. Other than that, we have got host Japan, who are ranked 15. Now, Japanese team is also capable of punching above their weight. They won the Asian Games gold, where they were not favorites to win a medal. We had defeated them in the group stage by 10-0. But we faltered in the semi-final against Malaysia, losing out in the playoffs, in the tiebreaker. Then Japan beat Malaysia to win gold. And other than that, we have world number 8 New Zealand and world number 9 Spain. Now, unless we are going to have off day, we should be beating Japan, New Zealand, and Spain. Against Argentina, we will start as favorites. Against Australia, we will have to bring our A game to beat them. Still, I hope we should finish at least second at group stage, so we can get an easier opponent. Even if you don't, if we peak at the right time, I would prefer peaking at the right time over peaking at group stage, because at the end of the day, medals what that matters. Argentina finished third in their group at Rio. They won gold. Netherlands, I think Netherlands top group, they could not win a medal. So it's all about performing on the day, peaking at the right time. So if Indian team does that, they can win a medal. I would say they are not the favorite to win gold. I don't see a chance of them winning a gold. The reason is I've never not seen an Indian team being consistent for 3 consecutive days against quality sides, even against lower ranks. And let's take example of Asian Games. We dominated the group stage. We scored 76 goals in 5 matches, conceded just 3, and had defeated Japan 10-0, Korea 5-3, and the 2 matches were pretty one-sided. We were favorites to roll through the Malaysian side in the semi-final, but we lost there in the tiebreaker. Then at the Commonwealth Games, we topped our group again, but we lost the semi-final as well as the what we call a bronze medal match, and we could not finish at podium. At World Cup, we topped our group, defeated Canada and South Africa, drew with Belgium, the Belgium team which won the World Cup, but we lost in the quarterfinal to Netherlands. So I believe if we can bring out our A game against, then we can beat any side. There's no doubt about that. We have all bases covered. Though there's criticism about our forward line, which seems inexperienced, but I believe we have made the right choices. The experienced play like SV Sunil, Akashdeep, Ramandeep, they have missed out, but experienced players were not doing the things which experienced players are expected to do. At Asian Games bronze medal, the tiebreaker match, SV Sunil missed two shootouts, and we expect experienced players to excel in pressure situations. But SV Sunil failed to do so. So I think it's the right decision, even though some fans are critical about it. But I feel it's the right decision. I hope we should win at least silver or bronze. We are not favored to win gold, but silver or bronze we should be winning. And for women's quarterfinal.
Okay.
Basically hockey pathina will be having 10 teams. Each 5 will have a group. So fourth of finish panale will qualify for the quarterfinals. Okay. About women's team, women's team அவங்க வந்துட்டு consecutive Olympic qualify ஆனதே நான் பெரிய விஷயம் தான் சொல்லுவேன். ஓகேங்களா. அண்ட் லாஸ்ட் 4 yearsல they are also the most improved teams. ஸோ ஓவராலாவே நம்ம வந்து இந்தியாவில் டீம்ஸ் போட்டுன்னு எடுத்துட்டோம்னா த மோஸ்ட் இம்ப்ரூவ் டீம்ஸ் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஹாக்கி டீம் தான் நான் சொல்லுவேன். ஓகேங்களா. ஸோ உமன்ஸ் டீம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா லாஸ்ட் 4 years பயங்கரமாக இம்ப்ரூவ் ஆயிட்டாங்க. அண்ட் தேர் ஸ்குவாட் ஸ்ட்ரென்த் ஆல்சோ. எப்படி 16 மெம்பர்ஸ் ஸ்குவாட் இருக்கு. வெரி பேலன்ஸ்டு சைடு. எப்படின்னா 8 மெம்பர்ஸ் வந்துட்டு ஆல்ரெடி பிளேட் இன் ரியோ அண்ட் 8 மெம்பர்ஸ் ஆர் டெபியூட்டிங் அட் த ஒலிம்பிக்ஸ். ஓகேங்களா. அண்ட் கோல் கீப்பர் ஹூ இஸ் மோஸ்ட் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் கோல் கீப்பர் சவிதா. ஓகேங்களா. அவங்க வந்து இந்திய உமன்ஸ் டீம் காப்பாற்றுவாங்க நம்புறோம். அபவுட் மென்ஸ் டீம் தே ஆர் கரண்ட்லி ரேங்க்ட் அட் நம்பர் 4. ஓகேங்களா. மென்ஸ் டீம்லயும் பாத்தீங்கன்னா அவர் மேன்பிரீத் பத்தி சொன்னாரு, மற்றவங்களை பத்தி சொன்னாரு. பட் இந்தியன் வால் ஸ்ரீஜேஷ் அவர் தான் வந்து நிறைய ஷூட்டர்ல வந்து நம்ம காப்பாத்தி கொடுத்துருக்காரு. ஓகேங்களா. லைக் பிக் டீம்ஸ் லைக் நம்ம ஆஸ்திரேலியா கூட எல்லாம் போயிட்டோம் அப்படின்னா லைக் ஐ மீன் பெரிய மேட்ச் எல்லாம் வந்துட்டு ஒரு கடைசி 60 மினிட்ஸை கடந்துட்டு ஷூட்டர் போயிட்டா போதும், ஸ்ரீஜேஷ் காப்பாத்திடுவாரு அப்படின்னு நம்ம நம்பிடலாம். ஓகேங்களா. ஸோ அகெயின் ஹாக்கி பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இட்ஸ் ஒன் ஆஃப் த ஃபாஸ்டஸ்ட் ஸ்போர்ட். ஓகேங்களா. 60th மினிட் லாஸ்ட் செகண்ட்ல கூட கோல் போட்டுருவாங்க. அவர் சொன்ன மாதிரி லாஸ்ட் ஃபியூ இயர்ஸாவே நம்ம அதுதான் நல்லா பார்த்துட்டு இருப்போம், நல்ல லீட்ல போயிட்டு இருப்பாங்க, கடைசி செகண்ட்ல கோல் விட்டுருப்பாங்க. ஹாக்கி டீம்ல இருக்க மிகப்பெரிய மைனஸே வந்து அதுதான் சொல்லுவேன்.
ஓகே. ஸோ ஆயுஷ் சொன்னது என்ன, இந்தியன் மென்ஸ் டீம் ரீசெண்ட் டைம்ஸ்ல நல்ல இம்ப்ரூவ்மெண்ட் காமிச்சிட்டு இருக்காங்க. ஒன்லி திங் என்ன பாலிங் அப்படின்னா கன்சிஸ்டன்ட் பெர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ் இல்லை அப்படின்னு. பட் கோல்டு மெடல் ஜெயிக்கிறது கஷ்டம்னாலும் சில்வர் அண்ட் பிரான்ஸ் இஸ் எக்ஸ்பெக்டிங். அட் சேம் டைம் விமென்ஸ் டீம் இப்போ தான் டெவலப் ஆயிட்டு இருக்காங்க. ஸோ குவார்டர் ஃபைனல்ஸ் வந்தாலே ஒரு நல்ல அச்சீவ்மெண்ட் அப்படின்னு சொன்னாரு. ஸோ பொறுத்திருந்து பார்ப்போம் என்ன என்ன நடக்குது அப்படின்னு.